For many biological and other problems, polynomial algorithms are missing. So we cannot use the algorithms to find the optimal solutions of many of these problems. To overcome this problem, computer scientists, they have compromised the solutions and they have come up with the approximation algorithms. So these approximation algorithms, they provide the solutions up to an approximate level. And they are not the perfect algorithms, but still they can provide some approximation solutions of the problem. So we will see how these approximation algorithms will work. So this is the approximation ratio of algorithm A on input, as is defined as A pi over optimum pi. So this is approximation algorithm and it do not give us the optimum output after receiving an input. So in this equation, A pi divided by optimum pi, A pi is the solution produced by the algorithm A, and this solution is the approximation solution and not the optimum solution. And optimum pi is the correct optimal solution of the problem. So we, after dividing the A pi with the optimum pi, we will come up with the approximation ratio, and we will obtain the value of optimum pi by using different methods, and we will come up with the optimum solution of the problem. So the approximation ratio we have already calculated by dividing the A pi over optimum pi, or we can say the performance guarantee of algorithm A is defined as its maximum approximation ratio over all input of sizes, that is as maximum A pi over optimum pi and pi mod is equal to n. So here we can see this mod means that we have some value that is equal to n, and these two marks means mod, and if we replace any of the value with pi, for example it is 6 mod, it means 6. But interestingly, if we have minus 6 mod, then again this minus 6 will be equal to 6. So this mod value means it is always a positive integer. So here we can see this should be always the positive integer when we use this formula to calculate the maximum approximation ratio. So on the other hand, if A is the minimization algorithm, that is an algorithm that attempts to minimize its objective functions, then for this one, again we can say that this maximization algorithm, the approximation ratio should be minimum, and the same formula will be applied here also. A pi optimum pi and pi mod is equal to n, and we have seen what is the meaning of pi mod is equal to n. So pi mod will always be a positive integer even if its value is negative. So in essence, an approximation algorithm gives a worst case scenario of just how far off an algorithm output can be from some hypothetical perfect algorithm. So it means we can calculate the approximation algorithm, and we can also calculate that how much it will deviate from the perfect solution of a problem. So the approximation ratio of this simple reverse sort algorithm is at least n-1 divided by 2. So a biologist has no guarantee that this algorithm comes anyway close to the correct solution. For example, if n is 1001, then this algorithm could return a series of reversals, and that is as large as 500 times than the optimal solution. So our goal is that approximation algorithm will better performance and approximation ratio of 2, and we can even get a better ratio of 1.1 ratio. And we can see here that of course an algorithm with an approximation ratio of 1 will be the best possible solution that can be found with these approximation algorithms. But unfortunately, these type of algorithms cannot be designed or cannot be produced up till now, and there is no possibilities that these type of algorithms can be produced in the future. So up till now, the best algorithm for sorting by reversals, and it has the best performance guarantee of 1.35. So more than 1.375 approximation ratio has not been achieved so far.